Hey guys, back for Sonance here, back with another video. So in this video, we're gonna dive into how to make bass house in 2022. So lately there's a new wave going on in the bass house scene, with for example this track. So as you can hear, there are a lot of UK Rave influences in bass house these days. Besides that, the track contains really aggressive drums, and of course a G-house vocal. So let's start off with a vocal. Let's pick one from the new bass house pack. So let's open up the pack and go to the vocal section.
She in love with the voice, but she in love.
We'll be using this one.
She in love with the voice, Berry Gordy. Shot through the heart with a 40.
So we're gonna have an A and B section in the drop. So let's cut up the vocal just like this. So this will be the A part and this will be the B part with the vocal.
She in love with the voice, Berry Gordy. Shot through the heart with a 40.
So that's it for the vocal. Now we're gonna dive into the drums. So in bass house, drums are really aggressive. So we'll be using these samples. I made this basic drum loop with it.
She in love with the voice, Berry Gordy.
Which is dope, but it really needs some more groove, so added this closed head to it and panned it a little bit, making this rhythm with it. Get it slightly off the grid.
She in love with the voice, Berry Gordy.
Which already fills it up some more, and then to give it some more bounce, I added these chants to it.
She in love with the voice, Berry Gordy.
Already adds a lot more bounce to it. So that's the foundation for the groove. But we need some more energy to it. So first I took this vocal shot. Then I cut it into this loop. Then I got rid of the low end. Add some more reverb to put it in the back. And of course the sidechain. Adds a little bit more energy. Then these chants. Which more works as a white noise. And this crowd hit as well. Just some ambient stuff to fill it up some more. And then to finish off the drums, I added this downlifter and crash to it. So altogether the drums sound like this.
She in love with the voice, Berry Gordy.
So now we're gonna dive into the bass and leads. So select a preset from the pack. We'll be using this UK style bass for the first part of the drop, for the A part. So let's make a melody with it. The first part's gonna be really simple. Just like this. So now we're gonna mix it. First I added some distortion. Really thickens up the sound. Then I got rid of the low end because I wanna have a separate sub playing. That's also the reason why I pushed it to the sides. And of course the reverb and delay. And the sidechain. So now we're gonna dive in the sub layer. Let's pick a preset from the pack as well. We'll be using this one. Sounding like this. It's a really thick bass preset. We're gonna distort it. Really fills up the low end quite nicely. So together it sounds like this. And in the track it sounds like this.
She in love with the voice, Berry Gordy.
So now we need to fill up this part. So I got another Serum. Let's add a preset. We'll be using this dunk preset. So let's work on a melody some more. Yeah, this is dope for the second part. Now we're gonna mix it. So first on distortion, really thickens it up. Make sure to have the sub and mono. Add some reverb to the top end. And delay as well with a really high pass. Of course the sidechain. So that's it for the synth stack. So now it's time to add some final details to the drop. First, I made some automations. For example, the lead sound. There's a macro that tweaks the sound from this to this. So gives a dope switch to it. Besides that, I automated the mod wheel of the other bass, which gives a fade out effect. Really dope to make the transition between drop and break. Besides that, I added a little build up to it. So with a full vocal playing.
In love with the voice, very Gordy. Shot through the heart with a 40. She in love.
A build up loop from the new bass house pack. A kick roll. The same downlifter. And a little reach bass from the pack. Just a dark vibe. With a mod wheel opening up. So that's how you make a bass house drop in 2022. I think the final result turned out really dope. So let me know what you think about it in the comments. Besides that, if you like the video, drop a like, hit the subscribe button, and I see y'all in the next videos.
She in love with the voice, very Gordy. Shot through the heart with a 40. She in love with the voice, very Gordy. Shot through the heart with a 40. She in love with the voice, very Gordy.